We trade with Exness. Our funds are
What's up, guys? This is Probal Trader in London session. Today is 25th November, the last week of the month, the week that is the most important week before the NFP. Before I begin my live stream, I want to ask you guys, how was your weekend, guys? Did you guys enjoy your profits? I was actively trading last week. Gold, Bitcoin, swing trade, scalp trades, long trades. And besides this, I was also trading natural gas. So probably if you guys have seen my post on natural gas, you would have known what I was doing. Anyways, our stream will now be educational only. I will be only providing education on my stream. And if you guys want any signals, it's gonna be paid signals. And right now there's a 25% discount on Black Friday sale, both on the premium membership and on Pro Wolf Trader beginner batch. So grab it before it's too late. All the details are given in the Telegram group and on Discord channel. Join it and message me and avail this opportunity before it's too late. And those who are tuning in right now, if you don't know what to do the entire week, go on my channel. I uploaded the gold weekly analysis, and after this stream I'm going to upload the Bitcoin weekly analysis. Okay, the game plan for the week. So let's just begin the week. Just like every week we make profits, baby, back to back. So let's begin. Let's dive into this intraday trading. Before that, I want you guys to be active on chat and participate and tell me if you took any trades. What do you say last week? There are few people watching right now, so we're gonna wait till enough guys gather around. Till then, we're gonna wait, baby, wait. I don't know why my screen is not crisp. It's not clear as it used to be. Probably because of the internet. I've been using a lot of internet. I have lots of PCs and laptops configured in right now. So sorry for the delay. I will improve the quality today, hopefully. But let's just not let that interrupt our trading capacity. Okay. Just if you guys are receiving any bad streaming, tune in, go in settings, go in advanced, and go switch from to 720. Okay. So you guys can get uninterrupted, smooth live stream. Okay, guys. Let's begin. I need at least 5 people, then I will start briefing what we're gonna do today. We need at least 5 people to start. Trade analysis will start after 10 viewers and hit the like. Let's dive in. We have lots of opportunity to this week. If you guys don't know what to do, go watch my weekly analysis, gold weekly analysis video, which I uploaded last night. So let's go, baby. Let's go. So what do we have today is that, you know what? Let's start it. First of all, let's see what's happening. Okay, well, let's see what's happening on the intraday. As is clearly visible over here on the intraday, gold bounce back from this trend line. Okay, this trend line. Okay, this intraday trend line, and right bouncing it off. Those of you who are following price action trading most probably, entered around this zone 2550, but I entered around 2536. And if you switch from daily time frame to 4 hourly time frame, you will notice over here. Hold on a second. Let me close this. Let me close everything. You will, what do you say? Notice that on the 4 hourly, there was a really strong resistance near 2700. Okay, 2710, and I clearly mentioned this in the my weekly analysis on gold that right about when the gold will reach this area, there is a strong support at 27 2650. Okay, 2650, 20, to 2670. So that zone is a really important zone for anybody who's looking into a sell trade. Now let's dive into the 5 minute. Given that this was this, what do you say, this yellow lines you see. Okay, let me put this on the side. These are the last day, last working day, which was last Friday, high and low, and opening wick and closing wick. Given that, always plan your trades around it. Okay, always entered around it. Those of you who entered a buy from this pullback, they profited in around here, but it just retested this zone. So in short, this shadow right over here is a strong support area. Okay, let me grab this. I'm saying again, today's stream is gonna be educational stream. We're gonna talk about educational stuff. If you are looking for any signals, join the Telegram group, premium membership, and get access to Discord premium and all that stuff. All the details are in Telegram. I'm gonna mainly focus on, what do you say, education. As much as possible because you guys lack that. I won't be around here all the time. One day I have to die. So you guys have to, learn. Your training journey starts with Pro Trader, baby. Okay, so as visibly seen over here, this zone, which is a gray zone, is an area of rejection. Okay, price fell down and did a pullback over here. Okay, so this is we call it the shadow. This is the shadow. So most probably this would be your entry area. Anything around this area is your entry area. And if the price, but there are, and over here there are two possible outcomes. What if the price keeps on bouncing in this zone, okay, above this zone or within this zone, and if it breaks down? If it breaks down, then we have a breakout towards down. Okay, it's gonna break down. And if the price, heads up like this, makes a, and then makes a break above, then it's gonna be a retracement. So we have two things over here. This is the retracement because as long as gold is above 2650, gold is bullish. Okay, and as soon as gold goes below 25, what do you say, 2650, it is gold will be bearish, reversal. So you have to So yeah, as clearly visible over here, that as long as gold is trading above 2650 is bullish, and if it goes below it 2650, it's a reversal. Okay, and if you switch from 5 minute to 4 hourly time frame, as I said in my weekly analysis of gold, that right now gold is being traded around this zone, right? And this is a really important zone. People are ignoring this zone. This zone should not be ignored. This is a daily intraday trend line. Okay, on a 1 hour, if you are like trading on an intraday on daily candle, you should have two time frames for intraday, for day one and 4 hour. And as you can see over here, right, as soon as it touches, the intraday trend line, it bounces off. I mean, of course, it goes below it and then comes up. It's not like a wall or something. It will, if it's bouncing off from this zone, you have to enter in. Okay, selling over here is ridiculous. If you are selling over here exactly at here, expecting it to drop down, it's not a wise idea. But yeah, if it drops down, it would be a fake out. It can pull back. There are two possibilities over here, but the possibility of dropping down is less than 0.2%, but it is something. 0.2% can also happen, proving 0.98% wrong, but likely is gonna happen. 98%, there's a chance that gold is in a sideway range. As I said, we have a sideway range. Now, how long is the sideway range? The gold made high. Where was the high? The high was around 2780, around here, but I'm gonna factor in this. Now, this is the entire zone. This is the range over here. Okay, this gray area, we have a range. This is a range. Now, given that this is a quickly let me do this, because my mind is working on too many things. We have a nearly like $250 range. Okay, $250 range. So basically, let me delete this. We have a $250 price range. Now within this range, you will be buying and selling. And right, whenever gold comes around this zone, you will most likely people will sell, right? But I would say as soon as it comes over here, take your profits on buy and wait. If it breaks above this, wait for at least an hour more, then enter. If it shows a sign of rejection, enter a sell. Okay, and the same goes for this area. As soon as the price comes over here, wait for it. If you have a sell opening, wait for it and buy. Okay, this is the entire plan. And if you don't know how to take an entry on the scalp or on the swing or on the long, join the Pro Bull Trader Premium membership. There's a 25% discount of Black Friday sale. So get it. Get the monthly or the 43 monthly, yearly or lifetime. All the details are given in the Telegram group. And beware of scammers. I'm not gonna message you. I'm not gonna ask you for money. I'm not gonna message you sell course. I have all these facilities available, but I will never message you. You have to message me. Alright. This team is purely educational. I'm saying again. I'm gonna talk about how to use Fibonacci, how to use basic basic stuff, But I will not give any more signals on my live stream. Again, I'm saying if you need signals, join the premium membership group. Okay, I want to keep my stream educational only, because a lot of people watch my stream, they don't learn anything, because recently I was giving signals since August and people made lots of money. Be blessed. Now it's time to learn, because the year is ending. You don't wanna be dependent on anyone, either me or somebody else, for the rest of your life. Start learning. If you want to make profits, come and join the premium membership signal group. And if you want to trade like Pro Wolf Trader, trade like all the guys in the batch 1, 2, 3 did, join the batch 4. There's a 25% discount on batch 4 too. Okay, Black Friday sale 25. Grab it. The fourth batch is starting from 1st December. You know, and you what you're gonna get it in that batch. You're gonna have access to the Discord channel where we live trade. So whenever we will be trading, you will also be taking trades with us. Plus signals. What do you say? Plus you're gonna get a trading setup developed handcrafted by me. 5 trading setups. Okay, 3 for stock markets and 2 for scalping, long swing, everything. It's all you need. You have it. You can literally make profits. And this is just the beginner course. There are advanced and professional too waiting. But join in, okay, and keep trading for 6 7 months, make profits, baby, and come back again for advance if you want. Otherwise, it's more than enough for you. Don't waste your time, okay? Waste your money. Money will come back. Time will not come back. Market is bullish right now. As soon as Trump comes in, we have to also talk about how Donald Trump what do you say, policies are going to affect inflation in America. Inflation is rising, by the way. We also have to talk about inflation. So before I jump in, let's do all that stuff, baby. Let's do this. So you have everything over here. Trading is risky, so please choose lot size according to your equity. Don't jump in taking huge lot sizes, that will hurt you. Use money management, risk management, and trade psychology to overcome your greed. And never invest more 50% of your total equity. Always invest in between 5 to 2 to 8% of your total equity according to the lot size. Investing 50% of your total equity on a lot size is a mere stupidity, and a lot of people, they do Ferrari, Mercedes, YOLO trades, and they blow up their account. So please don't be greedy, don't be a Gen Z freak, okay? Everything, live fast. You can live fast, but if you trade fast, you're gonna die, okay? You're gonna fall down from the cliff and you're gonna die. So please be logical. Money, if if you are a teenager, if you are working a white collar or a blue collar job, you know how hard it is to earn money and how easy it is to waste. So please be careful around your risk management and trade psychology. Anyways, so you have this over here, and besides this, we are just waiting for the confirmation. It is bullish. If anybody is asking what should I do, should I buy or sell, you should ask yourself, do we have a trading setup? Yes, take the entry according to it. If no, then develop it. But again, I'm saying, if you want something pre-planned, join Pro Bull Trader, baby. Where was that? Here it is. Okay, let me. I have to fucking. Let's just first of all I need to do this. It's so annoying, isn't it? Yeah, I lost it. I mean, I lost it a couple of times. Okay, guys, here it is. The complete breakdown of intraday. Let me open the market session one more. I think I say people, they trade the same way. They trade in London the same way they trade Tokyo or New York. It's not every market session. You have to trade differently. It works differently. It's not the same. Okay, try to understand the difference. You cannot trade New York the same way you trade London, and you cannot trade Tokyo the same way you trade New York. London is always sideway range. Okay, sideway bound range. Wait a second. Why is London not open? Is it daylight saving over there, right? Why is not open? Let me check. Uh, if you guys have any question, you can ask me. In meantime, I'm checking my messages of guys in the premium group. Go ahead and ask me anything you like regarding today's stream. Yep, the time zone is correct now. Also, yeah, it is correct. This one is not. Every time, damn it. I can do this all day. Anyways, so as clearly visible over here, I even mentioned in the gold weekly analysis that gold is, this is a really, what do you say, strong area of resistance over here. And one more thing I mentioned for the sell, my charts are, too much. One more thing I mentioned over here was last Friday that is there are two possible outcomes when the gold prices reaches over here. If it continues to move up, this is a continuation of third wave impulse 5. But if it stops down, I was worried, like I thought, okay, this is up, it's going above, breaking up. But today, this morning in Tokyo session, I was confirmed that this is the completion of fifth wave. Sorry, ABC correction. So ABC correction is done now, and now we have this wave forming up. So most likely, gold is gonna go above 27 all-time high, near all-time high maybe, yeah, or 27.30 or somewhere around here. Then come back down for the last time, and then it's gonna go 27.50, then come down, and then it's gonna break all-time high, or touch all-time high at least, because this is the all-time high. We're gonna follow the plan. We're gonna follow the elite wave theory. Just we are following on live stream for the past 3-4 months, and it seems like this outcome was right. Let me take this. Wait a second, please. Was just wait 1 minute. My chart is loading on my laptop. I don't know why it's taking too long. Okay, here it is. So this happened, and this is how do I cancel this? So this happened in short. ABC correction. Now we have second, as soon as this is completed, ABC correction is completed. Now this is a continuation of, this is a new, what do we call this? Does anybody have any idea what is this? Does anybody have this idea which candle is this? Let me exhibit. Hold on a second. Where was that? Just 1 minute. Where is that? Hingy. Oh my god. Here it is. Which one is this? Can anybody guess which one is this? Anybody? This is. Can anybody? Yes, you will be shocked how identical it is. Can you guess? Can anybody guess which one this is? Can anybody guess? By the way, in my advanced batch, I'm including all of this, and in my advanced batch, I'm gonna break completely break down how to use elite wave pattern along with other stuff. This is the next level shit. But I'm just trying to show you. Can anybody guess which one is this? Anybody? Be active. Hey, what's up, Jack? Welcome to the stream, brother. I'm doing I'm gonna come to Bitcoin first. I'm gonna do gold, then I'm gonna come to the Bitcoin. Okay, brother. It's just right after 15 minutes. I'm gonna switch to Bitcoin. This was Bitcoin is I'm gonna explain it later what's happening. Yeah, right now you don't need to worry about Bitcoin. Just get on a buy on gold. Anyways, so coming back to this chart, this is third wave or which one? This is the fifth wave. Which one is this? Wave 5. Impulse. Second ending diagonal. What the hell? We have a ending diagonal. What does that mean? See this? This is one. Mostly people get it wrong. Nope, not. This was the third wave. It's done. It's finished. Okay. Now this is the fifth wave. This is the fifth impulse wave. Okay. After the impulse wave, there's gonna be an ending diagonal. Again, the a drop. You can call it a ABC correction. Hold on a second. Something around here. Something around there. That's gonna continue going up, but it's gonna be like this. Okay. So this over here right now is a what is it? This is a ending diagonal. But before this happened, we are in a impulse wave, fifth impulse wave. So this is where I was saying that gold is in range right now. You see this. This entire area, this entire area is a range for you. You can buy and sell within this range. Okay, be smart about your decisions. And if you don't know how to take entries, join the Pro Wolf Trader. Okay, premium membership and get signals not just on gold but on Bitcoin, on natural gas, on Forex pairs, on stocks, and keep updated. Okay, let us let us take care of all those problems, and you just enjoy the profits. So this is the complete breakdown of gold. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. I need to grab some coffee. I'll be right back. In the meanwhile, you can ask me any questions over here. Okay, so let's continue our analysis. I'm back. So this is a complete breakdown of gold. Now let's just move on to what's happening on Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now, this is a 4 hourly chart. Okay. Now this is the most important thing that I'm gonna talk about. So also the Black Friday sale is here on TradingView. So grab it, man. I'm gonna grab it and get rid of these damn messages. But if I don't forget. Okay, so let's just begin our analysis. I did the gold analysis. So if you skipped it, missed it, sorry, you can rewind it and you can go through it. Let's just talk about Bitcoin. Then after doing this analysis, I will come back to the educational part where I was talking about the elite wave. So this is right now Bitcoin. What's happening is that this is a 4 hour time frame. On this 4 hourly time frame, we can clearly see last week there was cryptomania. It almost broke past 9969669. Okay, almost break it, touching 100K, but it dropped down. Why did it break above? Your number one question is why it didn't break above? Why? Your number one. You should be like asking yourself, now what's moving the market in crypto? I'm gonna upload a analysis on Bitcoin right now after this my stream. But I wanna ask you, do you guys know what's happening in crypto? Let me tell you. Have you ever heard of this company, MicroStrategy? Anybody? Anybody ever heard about this name of this company, MicroStrategy? No. So this MicroStrategy has a lot to do in Bitcoin. This, right now the largest stake anybody has on Bitcoin who holds this MicroStrategy, nearly holding billions, $200 billion worth of cryptocurrency in their wallet. And when the rally happened, the the company who took advantage of this, I mean, nearly profited, and even in the what do you say, on the futures or on the spot, wherever you wanna talk about it, is this company, MicroStrategy. Now there is a good factor and a bad factor, both attributes linked in with this. We're gonna talk about both of them. First, we're gonna talk about the bullish factor, then we're gonna talk about the bearish factor. Right now, Donald Trump administration, they basically making up a bill or a what do you case a circular or whatever you call it to buy a certain amount of cryptocurrency in millions worth, okay, and stocking it up in the central bank, and they're gonna make a new governor or something regarding to digital assets. So this is where the strategy is coming in. They are basically acquiring digital assets in the wake of this digital currency, because the number one concern is that what if Russia or China, they acquire the majority stake in cryptocurrency, and then this will be the new world order, right? Just like the dollar, America had a dollar dominance for more than a century. They will use it. It's not like the first time in the world that there was only one reserve currency. Back in the era, like 5 decades ago, 7 decades ago, there was more than one reserve currency. It was dollar, pound, and a bunch of other. So, in the wake of this 21st century, in the wake of this Satoshi, cryptocurrency was never taken serious by anybody, but it got past all-time high due to the Donald Trump promoting it, because there is a motive behind it. What's the agenda? Why Donald Trump backed up Bitcoin? You have to understand that the entire US economy is in debt. You are right. Since 1960, America has been printing money on behalf of crude oil. Why? Because in the entire world they did a contract with the Saudis that if Saudis gonna sell oil anywhere in the world, okay, they have to sell in dollar. Okay, so this is why America America needed something, because back after World War II, America was in Great Depression, right? And I'm going to actually make up the entire documentary explaining this, but in short, I want to keep it up for the viewers. Is that they basically rigged the system, okay? They played around with the system matrix. They made a system in which they could keep printing money, keep, you know, surviving, keep taking loans, keep, surviving. It's like whenever they needed money, they printed that money and inflation went up. This is why in the 1980s, not go, let's go in the 1990s, it used to cost around a dollar, less than a dollar, or nearly like a dollar to order one happy meal in KFC or McDonald's. But right now it costs $8 or $7, $10, right? So why did the price went up? Inflation. Grow just like in all our third world countries, when inflation happens, money lose. What is inflation? Because of the inflation, the money loses its purchasing power. Let's just say that you could buy a dozen egg and a bread under $2, okay, 5 years ago. Now it's gonna cost 25, 30 bucks, 20 bucks, right? So this is how it affects. Now, why I'm talking about this? Because you have to understand the dynamics, the story behind the push, the story behind the dump. Now you understood the entire process. Now let's come back to MicroStrategy. Now MicroStrategy, being the majority holder of Bitcoin, after and after it is followed by BlackRock, they hold the stake. That means that these peoples, if these are the big giants, if they move, the market will move. Right around 100k, there was a rumor in the market that somebody is gonna short sale. They, in the world of trading, traders, depend on insider trading, because insider trading is the thing that helps them make profits when there's a sudden market crash. In 2008 bubble crash, a few traders profited from insider trading based on information they got from each other, and they risked it and they avoided getting bankrupt. In the same way, Nancy Pelosi and a bunch of other politicians, they also do insider trading. That's the reason you saw in Biden administration their assets grew up from 8 10 million dollar to nearly 100 200 million dollar, because they had all the information. Let's just say that let's just say there's a certain company or a bank and it's going bankrupt, so they had the information before the relative body takes action against them, and they used to sell all the stocks a day before that. So this is how they manipulate it. Even they say used to sell it from at the top and short that certain stock, because they knew the stock value will decrease because a certain case is going to open and they're going to file for bankruptcy. So they profit from the both ends. So you have to understand that when you are playing the game, you have to know the rules, and the rules are that everybody is playing dirty. So when everybody is playing dirty, you don't have to play with the rules, you have to play against the rule. You have to see what you can't see. This is why I say what you see is happening is not happening, and what's not happening is happening in front of you. This is where my analysis will help you. You again talking about this. It came up over here. Okay. Now this is for hourly. Let's go back to monthly. This month, which the month I'm talking about is November. The November candle started at 66,000, and where did it went? It went up to nearly nearly, let's just say 100k. It touched 100k. How much difference are we talking about? It's nearly like 42,000. Bitcoin in just 1 month increased by $42,000. That is a huge push up. Now everybody who bought, including me, on my long stays around 40, what do you say, 30,000 or 40,000. This is where my spot trades were on Bitcoin. Were in profit. Even we got a discount that happened, what do you say, in March. Okay, and it went up till August. Those who bought over here. But after this, this was all FOMO buyers. Now you see the entire market is filled it. Nearly 70% of the people who are trading cryptocurrency right now are in loss out of 100. I was told by a broker, a specific person inside a broker. He said this nearly 70% of the investors right now in this trading industry are in loss because they bought nearly at all-time high. That is that means that all the trades that are sitting nearly in this month's candle, they are all FOMO buyers. And in this FOMO buying, if you actually think that the matrix is going to allow you to become rich, you are completely wrong, my friend. The matrix will never let you win. You have to understand. Matrix is your number one enemy. When I say it, I mean it. Matrix is your enemy. Just like Neo was fighting against the matrix, he break past it, you have to see it. Even if it breaks 100k, it will not happen unless Donald Trump sit in the office. Right now, Joe Biden is the president until he leaves the office till the end of this year, in the end of the month, then till the last week of December. Till then, he can pass any laws and anything. So you have to understand that this FOMO rally is ended. Last year, there was a FOMO rally. Okay, last year, where was it? Okay, around here. I remember there was a FOMO rally. Okay, price did not break up. FOMO rally ended nearly, and everybody was disappointed. Went back in. Same. Go over here. There was a rumor. Oh, let's go. Bitcoin is gonna break above 20k, 20k. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It break above, and finally it did. Finally a relief. Nearly took the entire 2023 to came up. But the worst year of Bitcoin was the year 2021. This was around the COVID. And if you remember, 2020 was COVID. Everybody was like, holy shit, this is it, and it dropped down. And 2021, everybody was nearly around pumped up right now that the December Christmas is gonna rally up, okay? And it didn't happen. It just didn't happen. And it dropped down. So all those people who bought high, now there's a connection between this area and this area over here. This now, but the only difference is that over here it touched all-time high 68 in November, okay, and tried to break above this zone, but it didn't. In 2021 it fell down, it was the worst drop. It was the worst drop, after which the price didn't went up the entire, it went up, it nearly took 1 year to go up. And in 1 year a lot changes, my friend. So now I am connecting both of these. The only difference was it made all-time high in October, and in November it showed a rejection. But over here what happening is that instead of making all-time in October, it made in November. And just like over here, it made all-time high in October, and then in November it dropped down. Over here there is a delay of 1 month because we already made all-time high, and in December, 1 month left before Donald Trump takes over. I will not be surprised if the Matrix, MicroStrategy, BlackRock, they sell at all-time high, because it's like this. It's either I sacrifice my life or I sacrifice your life. And all these big companies, big giants, they will always bag in the money and walk away and play with your life savings and your pension funds. They don't give a shit. They will take the profits and walk away. And you will be stuck if you have any spot, or if you have futures trading. If you bought all time high, you were a FOMO buyer, you got in like, oh, let's do this shit, it's happening, it's finally. You're gonna get, you know backstabbed. The Matrix already made their profit. BlackRock, MicroStrategy, my friends, they already made their profits. Now they're gonna switch it. And what happens is, if a reversal is coming, which is coming, you know, is gonna fucking bag in all your money. They're gonna take all your money, and then they're gonna break above. It's gonna break above, but you have to play smart. I'm saying trading is dirty. You don't play by the rules. Don't be don't be gullible. Don't be so naive to actually think that it's gonna break 100K. You actually think MicroStrategy did not take any profits? Let's go back to 4 hourly. They did take their profits. That's why there is a drop. And look, Friday is coming. What is on Friday? Black Friday sale. What happens in Black Friday? Discount, right? You actually think there's going to be discount on everything, and there's not going to be discount on what do you say, Bitcoin? Bitcoin already did the Christmas rally, that November December rally. Now it's gonna retrace back to this zone. The same thing I was saying, now coming back to 1 monthly. That the thing we saw in 2021, that in October it went up and in November it came back down. But there is a delay of 1 month. It went up and in December it will come back down. If Donald Trump take control of the office and he is having some problem doing what he wants, and Powell is interfering, and the stock market goes into a panic, because right now, one more thing, stock market S&P 500 is all time high, gold is all time high, Bitcoin is all time high. So cutting interest rate is the most ridiculous thing Fed can do, and Fed is still ignoring inflation while inflation is rising. This will just trigger a fucking market, what do you call, a bubble. The drop we saw in August, the flash, the crash or whatsoever, the recession trigger, it will trigger, and everything will fall down. It's like a house of cards. This is why I'm saying, I'm being really careful around this. Nail is literally like playing with fire. You have to understand. Don't be naive, okay? A lot of people are messaging me, what the hell? Brother, it is a reality. Nobody will be this much honest. I nearly told you the entire game plan. And everybody in the trading institutional hedge funds, they know this and they have this all figured out. Only the retailers aren't, and I told you. And there are only few people watching the stream. Keep in this mind. If I say something and it happens, it doesn't mean I was a prophet, trading prophet or something. This thing, all the traders know. Alright? They know this. Only a few dozen, not everybody, few dozen, who are smart enough and more than a decade in this field. Now coming back to 4 hourly. Sorry, this is 4 hourly. So MicroStrategy, they already shorten in their position, and right now what you are observing is a retracement. It came down on weekend and is going up now, but there is no volume. Why? Because everybody is on vacation. Trading in November, as the November is ending, everybody goes away on holiday. Okay, all the entire Wall Street takes vacation off. They go on holiday. And if you actually think it's gonna break above at the time when nobody's trading, you're absolutely wrong. They're away from their screens, most probably on a vacation somewhere in the Caribbean or Thailand, Vietnam, Pattaya. So so the entire thing is that they're gonna be removing all your trades. You're gonna be, all those people are taking their vacation off, probably time, spending. And if the majority of those people would have already taken some money out to buy gifts for Christmas, and buy homes or pay mortgages and stuff like that. And they'll be spending time with family because they work entire year. And this is the time you have to be more careful. I remember there was a trader who on New Year's night was sitting trading and the market just dropped. And everybody who was off the the market is open. There's gonna be a bank holiday. There's some days gonna be the trading floors. The entire trading is gonna be turned off. But there are gonna be days when the market will be open. Okay, but the volume will be next to zero. So you're gonna see lots of weird ass stuff going on like zigzag, zigzag, sideway, fast spikes. That's because at that time there will be no human traders. Mostly all goes, opening buys and shorts, sell trades that are really microsecond causing those spikes. So don't trade around that time. Stay away from forex pair. You're gonna see lots of manipulation on forex pair, on euro USD, GBP USD. There will be no pattern, no candlestick analysis. If somebody you are like do head and shoulder this and that, nothing will work. Even your strategies won't work. Even Fibonacci or my trading strategies won't work. So the best thing is to do is to skip trading in December, I'm saying. But if you want to trade with less lot size and be really careful. And if you want to trade, I will suggest you just trade gold and Bitcoin and oil. Oil, always follow the plan, because throughout the year countries like China, India, Russia and Thailand, all these and Africa and Europe. Europe heavily depends on oil and natural gas due to the nature because of the cold temperature. So it always follow the plan. But forex, please stay away from forex. So this was the entire game plan for Bitcoin right now. And let's do a breakdown coming to a 5 minute time frame. As I was saying that this is 5 minute. I wanna switch to 15 minute. Okay, this is all time high, and just like over here I'm saying that there is no volume over here. Just this is price action. It's just retracing. If you and just put 15 minute bottom till here, or let's just here, this is the area. You see this? Now the price will fall back within the retracement zone, because on the 4 hourly I already said price is making a retracement. See this? We are already, this is 15 minute by the way. The price is already making a retracement. The structure of the retracement is in a way that people will question their trading setups, because they would have sell over here and it will pumped up and they close their sell and buy over here. Don't be stupid. Follow your trading plan. Okay, follow the 4 hourly for a direction. 4 hourly is for direction. Lower low, lower high. This is the entire structure. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then lower low. It's not gonna be a perfect lower high. It will be a manipulative lower high too. So you have to, again I'm saying, open your eyes. Okay, they're gonna play dirty. So you don't play by the rule, brother. You be smart. If you guys have any question, you can ask me, because I explained in so much detail. And by the way, let's come back to gold. As I was talking about gold, gold is finally breaking above 2674. So it looks like it's heading up. If you don't know where to take your entry and where you should take your profit, or where you should be your stop loss, please join the premium membership. Only few spots are available, and there is a 25% discount Black Friday sale. So do avail it. All the details are in the Telegram group. and join the Pro Wolf Batch 4, which is starting for 1st December. Alright, there's a 25% discount on Batch 4 too. So don't lose this opportunity. This is once in a year. Okay, now I'm gonna, answer. This is, I did all my analysis on gold and Bitcoin. Now this is the question answer session. If you guys have any question, you can ask me. Any question. Type in the chat and be active. Any questions you have in your mind, without any doubt, ask. Guys in the premium group, one, two, please start messaging me on Telegram or on Discord if you have any questions. Even on the people who are watching live stream. Okay, somebody is asking me in what was the natural gas. This was the natural gas trade which I took on last Friday before the closure of market, and market opened with a gap and I took in the profit, and I was managing accounts. By the way, I'm managing accounts, 5 accounts per week. Okay, so I haven't received any account this week. This is the first day. So if you have equity, you can send me the account. I will manage it for you. But keep that in your mind. I only manage 5 accounts, and there are certain requirements. So yeah, let's go back to gold. Okay, guys, I'm back. I was actually grabbing my food. You got to eat. If you don't eat, you'll have problem. Uh, a lot of people are messaging me. I will reply them after the stream, or my team will reply. Okay, because I'm working, it's hard for me to reply. Okay, so the rejection is coming now on Bitcoin. Same goes for this. So everything is good. And I'm saying if you are looking for a community, join Pro Wolf Trader. We are a new community, but not that new. It's been around like three, four, four. This is the last fourth month, and I'm building up this community for the traders. Okay, and it's not that expensive. If you want to join in, if you can join the community, is free. But some features are limited. Like if you want signal, if you want access to live trading floor, then you have to join the monthly, quarterly, or yearly, or lifetime subscription. And I have trading batches at beginner, advanced, and professional. Of course, nothing is free in the world, but time is more valuable than money. Money will come back, time will not. So make profit, brother. And it's really less as compared to what people are actually, selling for stuff for. I'm I'm not charging of the core. I'm basically charging my time. To be honest, there is no price tag to the course or premium. I'm just charging my time, which I'm giving spending in the premium. I don't need to do this, but I am doing this because I had a commitment to myself. But of course, I will charge my time, and it's really less to compared what actually people get paid on the Wall Street, and nobody has any negative remarks or any by the grace of Almighty. So everybody who's in the premium group or took the batch, they are all making money, insane money. If you don't believe it, go check the screenshots on the Discord page. We are not talking about hundreds, we're talking about thousands of dollars. Okay, I'm just eating my food. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me up. By the way, I give my complete analysis on Bitcoin and gold. If you missed it, you can rewind it. Besides this, gold weekly analysis have been updated on YouTube. Go and watch it. I have nothing to talk about now. I even give a deep analysis of gold with elite wave and stuff. Watch it again. I'm just finishing my food and at the same time completing my 2 hours of stream. Just half an hour left. Then I'll be working. I'll be busy working. Then I'll be back in New York. Okay, you guys still here? So we still have, how do you say, 25 minutes. So what you guys want to talk about? We still have 25 minutes. Come on the chat, type in what you guys want to talk about. Guys, I'm asking you. Come on the chat and ask me anything. What we have half an hour. This half an hour is a question and answer session. You can ask any questions you like. But it should be related to trading only, no personal life. I've been getting that a lot. And please don't share your personal details with anybody. I'm still saying we have half an hour. Any question you have, either guys on the YouTube or in the go this premium membership, ask me. Message me. Um, you have told us everything. Essential. Listen, fake outs can only be checked on higher time frame. Let's just say you are on a 15 minute and or a 5 minute, and then there's a sudden push. Okay, so you quickly switch to 4 hour time frame. If there is a resistance near the push, is most likely a fake out. But if there is no resistance, then it might be a breakout. But there is always a 50% chance. So you always, and the intention of a fake out is that it tries to take out your stop loss, because mostly people who sell short around the resistance zone, because price is within a range, sideway range. So even in the sideway range, in a consolidating market, it always does a fake out. It goes up and comes down. So always calculate your lot size. And if you don't know how to calculate your lot size or stop loss, message me. I'll send you a text, a formula. Normally, there is a easier way which I tell people is, wherever if you are trading gold, your stop loss should at least be $8 or $10 away from your NT. At least it should be $10 away from your NT position. And if you are trading around high impact news, I advise you, your stop loss should be $5 away from your what do you say, NT area, and 10 $10 away on the opposite direction should be a buy or a sell order limit, just in case there's a pump and a dump, so you can catch it and make profits. Market is slow. London is always slow. no volatility, no volume, just sideway. And since this is Monday, and we are entering into this week, all that data that had to be released on Friday is coming on Wednesday. FOMC meeting minutes, unemployment, GDP, PCE. So likely we're gonna see market make moves on Monday and Tuesday. All the move that we are expecting that's gonna happen on Wednesday is gonna start taking place today and tomorrow. And Wednesday is just gonna be that we'll be there. What's next? On Wednesday we will be sitting at all-time high before New York, and then it will be either tit for tat. Either it's gonna break all-time high or it's gonna come down, and we have a $250 range as discussed in the gold analysis during live stream. If you have any other questions, you can ask me. Wait, let me ask some guys in group one. Wait. So I think that's it for the day. I'll end the stream now because I have to go work. It's Monday after all. I am also gonna upload a Bitcoin analysis video, and then I have to work on my accounts, clients' accounts, this and that. So I'll see you guys, okay, in the London session. Take care of yourself, and have a nice day.